Successful traders never reach their goals alone. Success in trading is more than just about finding the right trading system. It's about the support of a group and about having someone who will hold your hand and push you forward when you are feeling low. Would you be interested in accessing the most lucrative Forex training in the world and getting practical guidance to turn you into a profitable Forex trader? If you are new to Forex trading or have experimented with it in the past, but you are not a successful trader yet, Vladimir has founded a community that turns people into professional traders and has public record of 11 years and thousands of people to prove it. Vladimir's Traders Academy Club is a place where you can discover profitable trading setups, chat with other successful traders, and continue to build your FX trading education under Vladimir's and his guest traders' guidance. This is a one-stop shop for all your Forex needs, and it is a direct access to Vladimir's trading desk. Traders Academy Club is an online Forex trading coaching community which combines the smartest Forex traders in the market for an exceptional live trading experience to turn ordinary people into professional traders. Discover profitable trading setups, chat with other successful traders, and learn practical trading strategies under the guidance of professional trader Vladimir Rybakov. After you join Traders Academy Club, you'll get access to all of the following: an easy-to-use online dashboard with everything listed in one place, live trading room sessions with Vladimir and special guest traders once daily, daily trading reports containing trade ideas and explanation, Media Zone with archives of each day's live trading sessions, Vladimir's trading tools and downloadable ebooks for free, live chat room to interact with fellow traders and Vladimir, 24/7 support. Facts you need to know about Traders Academy Club. Why is the membership price so low? The yearly price to join Traders Academy Club is noticeably low. Why? It's simple. Vladimir and his team are not running Traders Academy Club for the money. After professionally trading for 11 years, Vladimir is at a point in his career where he wants to give back to the trading community. The $197 a year is in place to cover administrative and overhead costs. I'm a complete beginner trader. Is Traders Academy Club for me? Yes, Traders Academy Club is for absolutely everyone. If you've never placed a trade before in your life and have never even heard the word pip before, it's okay. We have a dedicated place for complete beginners to start. You'll learn everything you'll need to know to trade the FX market and make money. Vladimir's daily live webinars are easy to understand, and in addition to asking Vladimir questions directly, there is always a trading professional available via live support to answer questions at any hour. What if I miss a live trading session? If you miss a daily trading session with Vladimir or a special guest trader, you'll be able to access it later through the Media Zone tab on your dashboard. All of our content is saved and archived and available at any time. Do you recommend any brokers? We have a list of brokers that are verified and reputable, but your results mostly depend on your trading, not on your broker. As long as you're trading with a trusted broker, you'll be fine. I notice you use MetaTrader 4 for charting in your videos. Will the signals work on different trading platforms? Yes. Vladimir uses MT4 to trade because of its simplicity. You can trade with any platform of your liking. It does not have to be MT4. What is your money-back guarantee? We offer an unconditional 30-day 100% money-back guarantee. You can join today absolutely risk-free. Your investment is covered by ClickBank, no hassles money-back guarantee. Try it for 30 full days and see how easy it is to trade Forex with guidance of the professionals like Vladimir and his team. If at any point you have a question, just connect with our friendly support team and we'll get you sorted. In the highly unlikely event you don't feel Traders Academy Club is for you, just let us know and we'll refund your purchase immediately.